Welcome to Romania.
Wow! So, nandito kami sa Brazov. Ang hirap bigkasin. So, mamamasyal kami dito ng 2 oras. Hindi mga kasama ko. Nagkikid-train niya lang ako. Wow! Ang ganda ng mga building. Wow, pupunta kami sa Old Town. Mamasyal kami, at least kasamang tour guide. Uwi na ako. Parang gusto ko na kumain ng rice. Nag-Vietnamese na lang ako mamaya. Iba ang busog ng kanin. Wow! Sarap. Mga cheese, mga salami, mga ham. Ang ganda ng building, oh. Oh my God. Brazil. Ganda sa taas, oh. Bilis naman nila maglakad. Ang ganda, oh, wow. Look guys, ang ganda, oh, wow. Ang ganda ng Old Town. See? Buti na hindi ka malamig. Maganda dito gabi kasi may Christmas tree, oh. Merong mga lights. Ang bilis na nila maglakad. Oh my God. So beautiful. Wow. Oh, may Starbucks. Ang ganda, oh. Yan ang building. Wow. So, kanya-kanya na kami pasyal. Makikidjoy na lang ako sa mga kasama ko. Wow. Gusto ko makita yung black charts. Sana bukas. Wow, ang ganda, oh. Sana bukas yung simbahan. Sobrang ganda dito. Ang ganda. Wow. Sobrang ganda. Meron KFC oh. Tapos malinis ang ano, malinis ang Romania, Brazil. Ewan ko kung tama pagka-pronounce ko. Pero ang ganda. Wow, ang ganda ng mga building oh. Architecture. Wow. Ganda ng simbahan, no? Wow. So, nandito na ako sa meeting place namin. Pabalik. Nauna na ako. Mahirap din talaga mag-travel pag mag-isa ka. Ganun sana pa yung kasama.
Did you eat some Romanian traditional food? Pasta, pizza, burgers, those things?
O'clock in the afternoon.
Bean soup. You like it?
Alam ko kung
Can you speak
pupunta kami
Romanian?
ng Dracula Castle kasi
That's next time. Wait another 24 hours and try it. Now we're going back to Bucharest. Normally, I don't guess you're going to have that bad luck to have traffic, so may not be any traffic at all. But even so, it's going to take us 3 hours plus to stop at the gas station. 2 hours from now, and I really hope that you took my advice with the water and it wasn't a joke. I hope you understand that. I wasn't joking. So we are living in this area. Now over there, like I said, you have a fortress, and the meaning of that fortress is actually very important, because when you have a fortress here, that means where we enter the old town where was the sign Christian Tour, and I told you to make a left. That means where you have over there the buildings, over there was also the wall of the fortress. So here was like a part of the fortress. We have a fortress over there to defend the other fortress. Logical. But now, because the city through his here had a lot of fighting, was too late. And in the 50s, we have an important year, because Stalin did consider himself like a local hero of the Europe, and he wanted to have his name immortalized, but not through the statue. There were already plenty of them, of him. So this is why he decided that. Now in Romania, originally that city was Sibiu, Helmstadt. But the thing is that in Sibiu, we have sausages, we have salami, which also they are named after the city. So like Sibiu salami, Sibiu sausage. So if you change the name of Sibiu with Stalin, when you go to buy something, like a sausage, for example, you're not going to say anymore, you know, how much is Sibiu salami or sausage. You're going to say, how much for Stalin sausages? 5 euros. Okay, I want 5 of them. Big or small? Give me the big ones. So that in years, Brasov was known as Stalin City. So in the place where you saw writing the Hollywood sign Brasov, over there was writing Stalin from trees. Can you imagine that? Now, as for the city, because the last thing that I'm going to tell you, it's about one person. A person that actually, even if he died like 500 years ago, people that are still interested in his life. Of course, if you don't research him, you may not know the whole truth and only the truth. So this is why, and also today the crown of this her crown is worth somewhere around 25 million
After
euros.
13 hours.
If you want to buy it, just let me know. I know some people inside. And because again, I'm going to end with a quote said by our greatest historian, Nicolae Iorga. And he once said something like this: every place in this world has a story of its own, but you need to eavesdrop to know it, and just one drop of love to understand it, because everything is just beautiful by nature. Now, with this being said, please make sure you don't forget something here in the bus, the backpack, the hats, the wallet. Those t-shirts are probably bought it from the brand Castle. We do have plenty of them already. Not enough room for the others. And you know, a wise man once said, if you tip the cab driver, you can tip the bus driver too. So farewell, and have a safe flight back home. Goodbye.
Oh my God! Hindi ko naman naramdaman ang pagod kahit 13 hours kami nagbiyahe. Okay guys, talaga may re-recommend ko sa inyo. Ang ganda ng Bucharest, ang ganda ng Romania. Halos lahat ng mga tao nasa labas. Ako naman, bibili sa Vietnamese kasi namiss ko ang kanin. Parang masakit ang paa ko. Ito, oh, tingnan nyo, malapit ako sa hotel. Ali, 2 minutes. Tapos bukas, kakain kaming 3 sa labas. Itatry ko ang Romanian food. Ay, salamat. Nakarating kami ng maayos. Imagine 13 hours na biyahe. 1 oras lang kami sa isang castle. 1 oras din sa isang castle. Oh, ang ganda, oh. Wow. Parang mas sumakit din yung paa ko. So nice. Mabuti at hindi gaano mainit. Okay, isang dami pagkain. Yun ako kakain bukas. So, pahinga na rin ako pagdating sa hotel. Tatawag pa ako kina mama, kay daddy. So, see you tomorrow.